Did you check out the new iPhone 15? Everyone's talking about it.
Yeah, I saw it. That camera is insane.
Yeah, I was watching a hands-on video earlier. That camera upgrade is nuts, right? People are saying it's going to change the game for phone photography.
The pictures are gonna be next level. I know. It's got that crazy 48 megapixel camera. Honestly, the photos you can take now are like pro level. Makes me think, do I really need a DSLR anymore?
For real. The quality is insane. But I still can't get over the price tag. Over $1,000 for a phone? That's wild.
I hear you. It's always the same with Apple, though. They drop something new and suddenly everyone's scrambling to get it, no matter how much it costs. It's like they got us in a chokehold.
Exactly. Every year, it's like people forget how much they spent last time and just drop serious cash again.
Yup. And it's not just the phone. You know they always throw in some new accessory we have to get. I heard the charging cable is different again this year. It's USB-C now, finally.
Yeah, they finally made the switch, but now all my old chargers are useless. I'll have to buy new ones if I get it.
Right? It's always something. I'm still on the iPhone 12, and honestly, it's doing just fine. I'm not in a rush to upgrade.
Same here. I'm rocking the 12 too. It's still fast and the battery's holding up. But I gotta admit, the 15 does have me tempted.
Yeah, I feel that. It's tempting, especially when everyone else starts flexing theirs on social media. But I'm gonna hold out for Black Friday, see if I can snag a deal.
Good idea. Black Friday always has some solid discounts. I'm thinking the same. No point in going broke over it now when I can wait a couple of months.
Exactly. And honestly, do we really need all those fancy features? Half the stuff they hype up, I barely use anyway. The whole dynamic island thing? It looks cool, but how often am I gonna mess with that?
I feel you. It's mostly for show. Apple's good at making stuff look flashy, but when you think about it, most of us just text, scroll TikTok, and take the occasional photo.
Exactly. I don't need a $1,200 phone just to watch cat videos.
Right? I'm guilty of that too. But let's be real, when that blue one's in stores, I'll probably be drooling over it.
Same. That color is fire. I might just go check it out for fun. No harm in window shopping, right?
For sure. But that's where Apple gets you. You go in just to look, and next thing you know, you're walking out with a new phone and a lighter wallet.
Haha, true. They're experts at making you feel like you need it. But nah, this time I'm holding my ground. No impulse buys this year.
Good luck with that. You know, as soon as you see someone with that camera quality, you're going to start questioning your decision.
Probably. But hey, until then, my 12 still takes great pics. No shame in sticking with what works.
Agreed. We'll see what happens. Who knows, maybe the prices will drop faster than we think.
Fingers crossed. Until then, I'll just enjoy watching the tech reviews and pretending I'm not tempted.
Same here. We'll stay strong for now.
Deal.